Starts with 5. Okay, 5 reps. For 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Transfers. Switch every time. 10 reps. We'll get equal rest after this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 15 seconds worth of work, 15 seconds rest. Next time around, I'm going to do 2-hand swings, but you can stay with transfers, but you got to add on 5 reps. Okay, here we go. 15 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So remember, I said those extra 5 reps are going to cut into your rest period. 1 swing, 1 switch. 20 reps. Swing and switch. There's 1. Swing. Switch 2. Switch 3. Swing. Switch 4. Switch 5. Switch 6. And 7. And 8. And 9. And 10. Didn't get a whole lot of time to explain, but now I do. So I get equal rest here, but I'm not going to get equal rest after the next set of 20 because I'm adding on 5 into my rest period. So I'm going to go in 10 seconds. I'm doing them all 2-hand swings, but you can repeat those swing transfers, adding on 5 at the end. It's going to cut into our 30-second rest period, 7.5 seconds. Here we go. 25. There's 10. Here's 20. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so after each of our first work sets, as we go up in 10, we get an equal rest. And the second time around, the 5 reps cuts into our rest period, 7.5 seconds. So we're going to get longer rest this time after our 30 reps. 2 swings and a switch on 3. 10 times we're going to do that. 1, 2, switch on 3. 1, 2, switch on 3. That's 2. I'm counting the switches. 2, switch on 3. 1, 2, switch. That's 4. 1, 2, switch. That's 5. Halfway. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 8. 1, 2, 9. 1, 2, and 10. 45 seconds worth of work. So again, these are traditional swing ladders. Traditional meaning we're adding on 1 rep before we transfer. The transfer counts as a swing. So if we swing it twice and we switch on 3, that's 3 swings. 3 swings. Done 10 times is 30. 15 seconds we're going to go. We're going to repeat 30 reps, adding on 5 2-hand swings. I'm going to do them all 2-handed. It's going to cut into my rest period by 7.5 seconds. 35 reps. 9, first 10. Here's 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's 30. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so unlike some of the workouts I posted recently that add on 50% more work, this adds on just a little bit. Like I said, 5 reps going into the rest period. Each rest period increases, right? It increases, so when you take 7.5 seconds away, it doesn't seem that bad. Okay, so we're up to 40 reps. How are we going to do that? 3 swings, switching on 4. We're going to do that 10 times, right? 40 reps. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Switch on 4. There's 1. 1, 2, 3. Switch. There's 2. 1, 2, 3. Switch. There's 3. 1, 2, 3. Switch. There's 4. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 5. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 6. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 7. 1, 2, 3. Switch. 8. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Switching on 4. 40 reps. We get a whole minute. A whole minute. So you should be using a weight that I'm not going to say you need a minute rest, but you shouldn't be, lollygagging, saying, oh, this is too much rest. Well, if it's too much rest, you're not swinging heavy enough. Pick up a heavier bell and swing it two-handed. See how that goes for you. I'm not trying to be smart, really, I'm not. Okay, 45 reps, right? So I have a little surprise for you when we get to 50 and 55, and I'll explain that to you after our next set of 45. I'm doing two-hand swings, okay? You can do any combination of swings you want. 45 reps, it's going to take us 67.5 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Almost halfway, there's 20. There's 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here's 40 for 5, 4, 3, 2, woo, 1. Okay, so here's the surprise. Okay, so we went into our rest set, 7.5 seconds, right? We're not increasing our rest the next 2 sets. We're only increasing our work. Okay, so what does that mean? In 30 seconds, we're going to do 50 reps and rest the remainder of the minute, which is only going to give us a 45-second rest. It's a minute 15 worth of work, 50 reps, 45 seconds worth of rest. Then we have to do 55 and with even less rest. Okay, so no equal work to equal rest these last 2 sets. 4 swings, switching on 5, 10 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, switch on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, switch on 5. That's 2 switches. 1, switch. There's 3. I'm counting the switches. And 4. And 5. Halfway. Switch. 6. Switch. 7. Switch. 8. Switch. 9. 5. 4. 3. 2. Woo. 1. Okay. Almost there, right? Almost there to 55. So we're going to have 30 seconds from now. We start 55 reps. I'm doing them two-handed. And a very short rest before we start it one more time. The very first part of this workout, I think, is the hardest part. You're going to see, because we're going to do it again, okay? I'm going to do it slightly different, but the work sets and the intervals, rest sets, all stay the same. 55 reps. 2 hands. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 20. Woo! 50's far away. 2, 3, 4. 30. Here's a minute, 40 reps, 15 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, 5 more, tricky. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo-hoo-hoo. Okay. Okay. All right. 30 seconds, we're going to go. We're going to start it again, right? So you didn't get a chance to think about it the first time you went through, but you're going to think about it now. Because, like I said, 7.5 seconds from your rest period is not as big of a deal from a minute-long rest period. It's kind of a big deal when you only have a 15-second rest period. So ready? We're going to go, starting with 5 reps. Here we go.